First floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, fifth and sixth. So overlooking kay dire. So to open yan siya guys. Laglaag mo dire pohon. Yeah. So that's the resort guys. So under construction pa ang falls. So goods kayo. Oh. We're in Barangay Ipilan guys. Peace out. Yes, we turn back. We're in Pueblos Encantos. Wow. Ang saya. Woo. Kahit kayo. Turn mo dire guys. Okay kayo. Pueblos Encantos. So, kami dire o Barangay Ipilan. This OP. Hapit na ma-open ang resort. Stanley Busing. Oh. So overlooking kayo guys. Oh. Wow. Lahat mo din po. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Wow. Woo. Ang galing. This Pueblos Encantos guys. Oh. Overlooking kayo. Chilling. So, ito guys.